Hello friends, welcome back to SmartLogicBuddy YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this simplification problem. Let's begin. In this we will use PEMDAS. P is our bracket, parenthesis, E is exponent, power, M is multiplication, D is division. They have same order. A is addition, S is subtraction. They also have same order. But these are from left to right. So let's solve this. First of all, we have division here. So 7 plus 21 divided by 3 is 7 times 2. Now multiplication, 7 plus 7 times 2 is 14. Now when we add this, we get 21. Thanks for watching.